Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, August 24, 2022. Before I get started here today, I want to mention we have a webinar after the close today at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time about auto trading. So auto trading is a big part of what we do here at InvestiQuant. We'll be talking about what it is, our programs, the performance of those programs, all after the close today. So if that's something you're interested in, hop over to the link that is below this video, sign up for it, and we will see you after the close today. All right, let's hop into today's daily IQ. Yesterday was another down day in the S&P. We closed down at the lows and we triggered an oversold reading in the 2-day RSI. So that's what we'll be looking at this morning. Let me go ahead and get the instruments selected. The setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, the overnight session has dropped and came right back up to yesterday's closing price. So we are trading right at yesterday's close. I'm going to use a gap size by percent of the 5-day ATR for this study because I don't know if we're going to be up or down, but right now we're trading right around yesterday's close. So I'm going to type in 20% as a maximum gap size. So this means that the opening filter can you can be within 20% of the 5-day ATR away from the prior closing price, which equals about 12 points today in the S&P. It doesn't matter if it's up or down. This is just going to be looking at opening locations that are pretty flat historically. So I've got that typed in there. You can see it's been added up in the header section. The next thing I'm going to do is go down to the indicators library. We're going to grab 3 different indicators from here. And I'm going to grab them all from the active today, which is telling you what's true for today. So first one I'm going to grab is this top option here, day after 2-day RSI below 5. So that's an oversold reading. The next thing I'm going to do is grab below a 10-day simple moving average and below a 200-day simple moving average. Then click View Results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when the prior day closes with the RSI 2 being below 5 and below a 10 and 200-day simple moving average, and then following up that reading with a flat open, which I've described as an opening gap less than 20% of the 5-day ATR away from the prior close. Historically, 35 samples here in the S&P. We've got 47 in the NASDAQ, 50 in the Dow, 60 in the Russell. Win rates on these are skewing towards the downside. S&P coming in 43% of these have closed above the opening print for the day. For the NASDAQ, just 32% have closed above the open. For the Dow, 40%, and Russell's coming in right at 50%. If we look at the average moves, the average loss in the S&P larger than the average win. That's not the case for the NASDAQ. NASDAQ has the weakest win rate, but it does have a larger average win compared to its average loss. And then Dow and Russell both have larger average losses. So 3 out of 4 have larger moves to the downside, and 3 out of 4 have win rates that are under 50%. Only one of them is right at 50%. So historically speaking, this pattern has been a little bit more bearish for a day after an oversold reading. Hopefully you found that helpful. Again, that link for the webinar is underneath the video. That will take place this afternoon at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and we'll be talking about auto trading. So hope to see you guys there. Good luck. We'll see you next time.